JavaScript classes. Classes.js have two classes, one base class persons have one constructor method and four properties: first name, last name, gender, age, properties or parameter arguments, and initialize these our properties variables. Method, uh, uh, full name method, and all return our properties values through string method. Derived class software engineer extends our base class person have constructor method and base class four properties: first name, last name, gender, age, and new properties or argument in programming language in our software engineer inheritance or derived classes properties. The base class properties included by super and derived class properties programming language initialized here. Then we use export. Export have two types: default export, named export. Default export for single classes and named export for multiple classes. This index.js file in JavaScript serves the entry point for a directory or module. We initialize our person class and create one object for person class. We initialize our software engineer class and create an object for software engineer class Bob. Person classes properties and behaviors or methods here. Then inheritance class or software engineering classes properties and behaviors or methods. Just press classes output.